I commend the efforts of Her Excellency, my sister, Pastor Dorcas Rigathi, who has been at the forefront of addressing the challenges facing our young men in combating alcoholism and drug abuse. Your dedication and commitment inspires us to fight for the nation.
Children are a symbol of a future, of destiny of a nation. And it is the children that actually will propagate the next dispensation. And if the children are dead, a community will be dead.
And as we've been here praying, Nyeri has produced a deputy president. Glory to God. In the 10 years that we have been here, Nyeri has produced a president who loves Nyeri. Prayer is that we continue holding together, believing in the power of prayer, loving one another, and getting focused on where we are going.
We can put our efforts together and eradicate the vices that are threatening the fabric of our families and of our future and of our youth.
Have the instruments of power. What don't we have now? What don't we have? And I'm happy about what Professor Kindiki has said, the President, about the issue of who are licensing or who are doing the manufacturing of the second and third generation in this region. I mean, we must deal with these issues from the root.
Hi.